Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain you about paragraph writing. So what is a paragraph and what is the structure of the paragraph and what are the parts of the paragraph? First element is what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences about one single idea. So a paragraph consists of a group of sentences which tells us about a single idea. A paragraph has about 5 sentences. So suppose a paragraph should consist of 5 sentences, and sometimes we may find a paragraph less than 5 sentences or also and sometimes with more than 5 sentences also, but usually a paragraph should consist of 5 sentences, and the first sentence in a paragraph is indented. So when you are starting a paragraph and you are starting to write a paragraph, you have to indent like the first sentence. That means you have to leave a tab space and then start writing a paragraph. These are the 3 things which you have to remember when you are writing or when you are constructing a paragraph. Let us see with an example. Like here there is an example. It's an example paragraph, and this paragraph, the first sentence of the paragraph is indented. That means we have left a tab space and then we started writing this paragraph. And now this paragraph consists of a group of sentences. And now let us see whether all these sentences tells about a single idea or not. So let us read this. Anna is an excellent student. She is intelligent. She is responsible. Anna always does her homework and she is never late for class. As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in the school. So all these sentences tells about Anna, and of course all these sentences are related to the girl Anna, and all these sentences tells us about one single idea. So now we can call it as a paragraph because it has group of sentences and all these sentences tells us about one single idea. Of course it has about 5 sentences, and the first sentence in a paragraph is indented. Now what are the parts of a paragraph? A paragraph has 3 parts. First part is the topic sentence. This sentence tells us the main idea of the paragraph. And second one is supporting or detail sentences. All these sentences explain or supports the main idea. Whatever the main statement that we have given in the paragraph, the supporting details that we are adding in the paragraph should support this main idea. And now the third part of this paragraph is concluding sentence. So a paragraph has 3 parts. First one is topic sentence. Second, supporting or detailed sentences. Third part is concluding sentence. So this concluding sentence should restate the main idea. That means it should remind us about the main idea, or it should refer to the main idea. Now let us take the same example here. The topic sentence is Anna is an excellent student. This is the topic sentence. And whatever the supporting details, that is supporting details are in yellow in color, all these supporting details should support the main statement or the topic sentence. So now here let us see all the details. She is intelligent, she is responsible, Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. Like all these sentences supports the main idea that she is an excellent student. And of course we have given a concluding statement also. As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. So this last concluding sentence, of course, it restates or it reminds us of the main idea that she is an excellent student. Now let us see in detail. Like let us take the first part of the paragraph, that is topic sentence. So as I said, topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. Now the topic sentence tells the main idea. The main idea is what the paragraph is about. So of what the paragraph is talking, and it is the most important idea in the paragraph. Topic sentence has 2 parts. So topic plus main point. So now let us see with the same example. Here The topic is Anna because the paragraph is telling something about Anna. And what is the main point about Anna? Anna is an excellent girl. This is an excellent girl. This is the main point. So topic is about Anna. And what is the main point about Anna? Anna is an excellent girl. And this is the topic sentence. So let us practice with an example. Read the paragraph, choose the best topic sentence. So I've given an example paragraph here, and after reading this paragraph, you should, from the given choice, you have to select one thing as the topic sentence to this paragraph. Now let us read the sentence. Fruits are delicious. Examples of fruits are apples, oranges, and bananas. Fruits have many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. For these reasons, it is a good idea to eat lots of fruits. So, in this paragraph, I think these are all the supporting sentences, and at last we have got a concluding sentence. And now we have to choose the best topic sentence. The supporting details, they give some details about the taste of the fruits and about, lots of types of fruits, and of course how and the vitamins and minerals that are there in the fruits, and why we have to eat the fruits, like they are tasty and they are healthy. Now let us see these things. Everyone loves fruit. This is a general statement. Particularly here they have given two supporting details that regarding the taste and regarding the vitamins and minerals that are present in the fruit. Now I think we can't go with this. Next one. Fruit is a delicious fruit to eat. Of course, they have mentioned only about the taste of the fruit, but here a lot of details are added, and so this would not be suitable for that. And let us see the third one. Fruit is a healthy and tasty food. Here two elements are included, that regarding health and regarding the taste. So here fruits are delicious relates to the taste, and fruits have many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. All these things are helpful to be healthy. So this also is included. So option C would be the best topic sentence to this paragraph as it contains the elements health and taste. So now I can choose C as the topic sentence. Now let us go with the second part of the paragraph, that is detail or supporting sentences. Detailed sentences explain and support the main idea. As I said, whatever the topic sentence of the paragraph would be, whatever the detailed sentences or the supporting sentences should support the main idea. Detailed sentences means they give some examples, or they may give some reasons, or they may just tell us the steps in a process, lot of things. And let us see the same example. Anna is an excellent girl. This is the topic sentence of the paragraph as discussed before. Like, she is intelligent, she is responsible, Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. All these details, whatever that we have added, they're supporting this topic sentence that she is an excellent girl. Now, let us see with an example. I've taken one more example for you. Like, Anna is an excellent, the same paragraph, but I've added one more detailed sentence here. That is, she is beautiful. So, she is intelligent, she is beautiful, and always does her homework, and she is never late for class. But what is the topic sentence? The topic sentence is, the main idea of the sentence is, Anna is an excellent student. So all the supporting details that we provide should support this main idea that she is an excellent student. Being beautiful doesn't mean that she is an excellent student. So here, whatever the detailed sentence that I have added is not an appropriate one. So we should not add such details which are not relevant or which are not appropriate to the main idea of the paragraph. So this doesn't support the whatever the supporting sentence that I have added doesn't support the main statement. Now let's then change the detailed sentence again. Here I have taken one more detailed sentence. Instead of she's beautiful, I have added she always makes A's. A's means here they are referring to grades. And what is the main sentence? Anna is an excellent girl, student. So here she always makes A's. Of course, something telling, I mean, like it is telling something about the grades that she gets. So this is related to or relevant to the topic sentence only. So whatever the detailed sentence or supporting sentence that we are adding to the paragraph should support the main idea, and this detailed sentence supports the main idea, and so it is an appropriate one. So this is the best example to add detailed sentences. Now let us see this paragraph. Here, can you find out whether all the detailed sentences that are provided are relevant and are supporting the main statement? I just give you a few seconds. Please go through that. Okay, now let us see. The best pet to own is a fish. This is the topic sentence. The best pet to own is a fish. So, why we have come to this statement, why we have given this statement, like how we can support this statement is by providing some detailed sentences. Let us see the detailed sentences, what they have provided. First, fish do not require a lot of space. Okay, this statement, this sentence supports the main idea. Secondly, fish are easy to care for. This also supports the main idea. Finally, there are many types of fish that are beautiful, large, small, and exotic. So, an owner has many choices of which fish to get. Of course, this point also supports the main topic sentence. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. This is something irrelevant, actually. This is not supporting the statement. Instead, it is a quite contrast point what is given here. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. For all of these reasons, fish make excellent pets. So, all the supporting sentences are, of course, relevant and are connected to the topic sentence except this statement, that is, of course some fish are ugly and strange. So this point is not relevant and we cannot add such points which are not supporting the topic sentence. So we have to skip this point from this paragraph, then it makes a perfect paragraph. Now let us see the third part of the paragraph, that is conclusion sentence. So conclusion sentence reminds us of the topic sentence. That means it restates the topic sentence. So whatever the main idea that we are trying to support in the paragraph, when you are adding a concluding sentence, that sentence should restate the topic sentence. So usually concluding sentence would be the last sentence in a paragraph, and it repeats the main idea in the topic sense but in different words. It's not exactly writing the topic sentence again in the concluding part, but in different words we have to give a conclusion, but that conclusion should connect to the topic sentence. It does not give new details, so we should not add any new details in the concluding sentence. Based on the topic sentence and based on the supporting details that we have added, we should make a conclusion. So let us take the same example. Now, Anna is an excellent girl is the topic sentence, and to strengthen this sentence we have added lot of details here, like she is intelligent, she is responsible and always does her homework, and she is never late for class. All these details are supporting the topic sentence. And let us see the concluding sentence. As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. We have come to a conclusion that the girl is one of the best students in school. Why? Because she is intelligent, she is responsible, she does her homework, and she is never late for class. And so we can call her as an excellent student. And so we are concluding it as Anna is one of the best students in the school. So this conclusion is restating the main point that Anna is an excellent girl. In this way, we have to provide a conclusion to the paragraph based on the topic sentence and based on the supporting sentences or detailed sentences that we have given in the paragraph. Now, there are certain things that a paragraph should adhere to. Let's take a look at the rules. That means we have to follow few things when we are constructing a paragraph. A paragraph should be unified. That means all the points, whatever that are stated in the paragraph, should tell us about one single idea. There should not be a mixture of different ideas in one paragraph, but that paragraph should tell us about one single idea. So we said like a paragraph should be unified. And the other thing is the paragraph should clearly relate to the thesis. That means whatever the details that we add in the paragraph should relate or should refer to the thesis. That is the main statement or the main idea of the paragraph. Now, a paragraph should be fully coherent. That means all the sentences, whatever that are there in the paragraph, should be organized logically. Is one sentence should lead to the other sentence, should lead to the other sentence. They should be like, they should have a logical organization. That means they should be organized in a logical way. And that becomes easy for the reader to understand that paragraph. And a paragraph should be well developed. That means each thought or idea which is discussed should be explained adequately. That means that should give a complete information so that we come to a conclusion, or we understand the thing properly. We get complete information about that particular thing. So each thought or idea which is discussed should be explained adequately and be supported with the data. That means we are providing all the, like we should provide all the supporting details or supporting sentences which helps in explaining the controlling idea of the paragraph. Here controlling idea means the main idea. So whatever the evidence, whatever the supporting sentences that we are providing in the paragraph should explain or should refer to the main idea of the paragraph. So all these things we have to keep in mind when we are constructing a paragraph. A paragraph should be unified, and a paragraph should clearly restate the, relate to the thesis or main point of, like the topic sentence. And a paragraph should be fully coherent, and the paragraph should be well developed. So all these things, all these important rules we have to remember when we are constructing a paragraph. And this we have different types of paragraphs. That means based on the purpose of constructing the paragraph, they have given some name. They are given some names to them. Like when you are trying to describe something, when you describe a thing in a paragraph, like it is said to be a descriptive paragraph. Describing means like, how we describe is when the reader is reading that paragraph, it creates pictures in his mind as if he is looking at that particular thing. And now we have narrative paragraphs wherein we, construct a paragraph. Like, for example, when we are telling a story, or when you are telling about a sequence of actions that happen one after the other, when it has a clear beginning, a middle, and end to that paragraph, then it is called as a narrative paragraph. And expository. Expository paragraph explains you something or provides you instructions. That means it could describe a process, and a step by step process, and so that one can understand easily how to go ahead with that particular thing. And persuasive is a type of paragraph wherein we try to convince the reader to accept our point of view. So in that paragraph, how we organize the sentence is when someone is reading that, they are made to accept what we said is right, or our point of view is right. So in that way we construct the paragraph. So based on the purpose of the paragraphs, they are divided into different types as a descriptive, narrative, expository, and persuasive. So all these are the types of paragraphs. Now this is all about paragraph writing. So the structure of the paragraph, and the parts of the paragraph, and the elements of paragraph writing. That means the paragraph should be unified, the paragraph should be coherent, the paragraph should be well developed, and all these things. When you are constructing a paragraph, you should keep all these things in mind and construct the paragraph. And that's all about the paragraph writing. Thank you very much.